This Bluey trash truck is so much fun. It's got the real lids here that they can open and be able to, it came with little trash pieces to put in. It also goes up and dumps into the thing. You can use the lever, as you saw, and dump the trash. And then she put her own little recycling tag on it. And then the trash you can get out the back. It's got the Bluey drivers and stuff to sit, but it definitely love the quality of it. I think it's fun. It has great wheels to roll, and it has 2 trash can options here. So great little gift.